Okay ba ang DJI Neo for video blogging?
Hey, what's up guys? It's Ted Claudio of Wazzup.PH and Gear Acquisition Syndrome. And today we're going to test how good is the DJI Neo for vlogging. Okay, you can see in the camera. Okay, let's see. Let me show you also the camera, the DJI Neo. Going back to the app. Okay, so let's start. So we will be using the DJI Neo also for the intro of this blog. Let's start. Using spotlight mode. Okay. What's up everyone? This is Ted Claudio of Wazzup.PH and today we're going to talk about how good the DJI Neo for video blogging. Let's do it.
Now we are using this direction track, so it will be our front camera when as well be logging. So I'm using here this one, the microphone of the phone. It will follow me while I'm talking as well. So let's see how is the audio compared to like just using an ordinary phone. Okay, the nice thing about this DJI Neo is it follows me and it uses also the direction or the path that I am using. So we will test it, how accurate it is, by passing through this small gap of scissors. So let's see if it follows us and doesn't hit. Okay, I think it survived. Go straight, go straight, go straight. Yeah, okay. So yun, if you go straight, I think it follows your path. If you make sudden movements, like if you turn a little bit to the left or to the right, then it will also change direction. So let's see. If I change a little bit here, you can see it's moving also away from me. Yeah. Okay. But that's good. Let's see how good this audio test is. So we will go now a little bit inside the interior. Now we are at the exterior. So let's see if it follows us inside to this chapel. And we will hear how it sounds here if we are inside a building. Okay, we're inside now our small chapel where the sound of the propeller also becomes very loud. Okay, let me just go around. I think the audio is still there. It's recording. It's following my paths. Yes, we will be testing it now. If you can see, I have the DJI Mic 1. So we will use this mic and see how good it is. Okay, so now with this mic, the sound quality should be better. Let's see how it works. Tell me if it's much better than the other recording, which I use just only the phone. Okay, so it's following me now. And we will try to replicate the same thing. Tingnan natin if, let's see how good it is in following the same path that I'm taking and go through this little gap between the swing. Okay, I will turn around now. I'll try to go straight and also go back. So it stopped. Okay, go back, go back. Go back. So we're now testing it again with this DJI mic. So we're using the direction tracking. Okay, so I'm between the trees now, so I'll just be a little bit careful. So there's a way of like controlling it. So if I turn a little bit here, then it will try to go straight. So this is how you control the direction. Okay. So let's see how it follows us. Okay, so we're going around. So the advantage of using this DJI mic is you don't have your phone. So I can just put the phone here at my back, so not having to hold it near my mouth or in front of me. So that's the advantage of using a wireless mic. Okay, so let's see. It will follow us again, and let's see how it sounds also when we go again inside the chapel. Okay, let's go inside the chapel now. So I think with the chapel, it's more echoey. So let's see if it sounds better with the DJI Mic 1. So here, my voice itself, I can hear there's some echo. But I think especially with this DJI Mic Wireless Mic close to your sound source, which is my mouth, then it should absorb less echo. Most probably you will not hear it, but also the drone is making some really high-pitched sounds, which actually, with the AI capability of this DJI Neo, it will automatically remove it when it merges the audio with the video later that I download. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So I think it's still following me. I'm not seeing the monitor. Yeah, I think still following me. So slowly turn. Okay, I hope it doesn't hit the tree. It didn't. Okay, it's very good. Still following me. Okay, I will slowly turn around, so I will be facing it. And I'll try to go reverse. Let's see if it goes reverse. So this will be my front cameraman. Okay, so when I stop, then it will end the program.
So what do you think, guys? Is the DJI Neo drone a good vlogging drone? So is it enough to use just the phone's internal microphone, or do you need an external wireless microphone like the DJI Mic or the Rode Wireless Go? Hey guys, I welcome your comments regarding the quality of the audio, and also, do you think the camera is stable enough for vlogging? Let me know. See you in the next one.